In this video I want to finish off this kitchen counter for the island, and I want to bring in some facades of countertop closets or drawers and then paste it on top of the existing facade. This is again, this is not a typical island obviously. I just want to show how you can use a pathway to create a custom kitchen island, and the shape might be different. You can have a modern design, whatever you want really, but this is just for demonstration purposes of how to use a pathway and use a profile in order to create a custom kitchen counter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go before that, what we can do is we can also change the orientation of the side of the counter. What we can do is we can do use the select tool, triple click to select everything. Obviously the best practice is to make it a group first, but I'm just gonna skip that step just for the moment, and I'm gonna do flip along. Now if I do flip along red direction, it's gonna flip the side of the counter, and that seems okay. So I'm just gonna we can also do flip along green axis, and that's gonna look something like that. If you do blue axis, it's gonna be weird because it's gonna change, flip itself upside down, so we don't want that. I'm gonna leave it at that. And as I said previously, I should have probably used the profile in a different way, because I want the the kitchen drawers on the other side of the island, not this side. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna model it again, so I'm gonna put my drawers on this side. So I need to bring drawers from 3 warehouse. Let's see what we can find. So I'm gonna go and search for kitchen counter. Let's do that and find something that we want or we might like, and then deconstruct it to get the doors out of it. So let's see, scrolling down just a bit to see if we can find something that we like. I want a wooden looking kitchen counter. Well, this seems to be okay. I think so. So let's see. I think this one looks okay. So let's download this and see how that works. So I'm gonna load it here. I'm gonna deconstruct it. Let's see. So it comes as a group, so I'm gonna explode it first. So go right click and explode, and I'm gonna delete all of that. That's fine. Gonna delete all that. Did I delete too much? That's fine. And I'm gonna just delete these things as well. Oop, too much. There you go. Alright, so that's it. That seems to be okay. So triple click again, make it a group, and I'm gonna move this into my counter. So there you go. Let's bring it over here, rotate it just a tad, not a tad, but 90 degrees rather, and let's just move it over here. Let's see how that works. Alright, so I think I might have to scale it just a bit, and I want 2 of these here, so I'm gonna find the midpoint of this line just so that I know exactly where it's gonna be, and then I'm gonna move this. It's a little bit annoying. Alright, let's see. That seems to be okay, I think. And let's just move it so that it's there. That's okay. Oop. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna scale it just a bit. I'm gonna scale it this way so that it's on this line here. There you go. And I can then copy it and paste it again. I can use my move tool in order to copy. So using the move tool, press the control key while on the move tool and it becomes a copy. So there we go. And I think that seems reasonable. I have this top part here and I can have a small ledge on the top, and that seems okay. That seems very reasonable. There is a bit of yeah, I think this is overlapping somewhat. I don't know what happened here. So let's see. I think I need to scale it just a bit, just a little bit more, so that it fits. There, I think that should do it. And I'm gonna copy this again, control and come over here. There you go. I think that works. So like that, you can add your add the other counters on the sides as well, however many counters you want, and you can start working on your materials as well. So if I wanted let's say a granite, so go to stone, maybe stone marble perhaps, like marble top perhaps, that, and just start working on these, and maybe this entire thing, or maybe I can just this wall is becoming annoying. What I can do is, if I have trouble like this, all I do is use my magnifying lens and change the field of view to say about 60, and now I can just it makes it easier to work. So there you go. And I can just maybe use this as my countertop section, and maybe go to wood, and not that wood, I think, if that's fine. Yeah, like that. You can start adding materials and completing your countertop like so. If you want to have like a dishwasher or something, you can just bring in a facade of the dishwasher and put it here. And if this seems to be bothering you, we can change that as well if you want to. Like, we can bring this forward just a bit, extrude it a bit, so that the white doesn't seem to be appearing from the back. But I think that's just it. That's how you complete your countertop.